What's up guys, it's your boy Andre and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Now, everything that you've been learning from the beginning till now, you want to see how that applies in the real world? Stick around and we're going to show you how to flex after this. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel where we teach the language of Jamaica and we try to do our part to preserve the Jamaican culture. Now in this video we're at our very first checkpoint where what we're going to do is everything that you've learned from the beginning till now, we're going to show you how that applies in real life situations. The next lessons going forward is going to incorporate everything that you've been learning so far, so it will be less English and more Patwah. Alright, so how this is going to work, I'm going to put the text on the screen for you guys, then I'm going to run through it at half speed, and then we'll increase it to full speed, followed by the English translation. Alright, so if you're ready to go, let's get into the video. Me want to show you how to understand Jamaican Patois. My goal is for you to grasp more and more with each video. Me find that to keep it simple works best for me, and me hope it will also work for you. Whether you want to understand the language for travel, music, or your own personal reason, you will be able to do more as we progress. That is what me made this exercise for. So collectively, uno will be able to follow me in the lessons going forward using what we covered in this flex. This journey is for uno. Alright, and now full speed. Me want to show you how to understand Jamaican Patois. My goal is for you to grasp more and more with each video. Me find that to keep it simple works best for me, and me hope it will also work for you. Whether you want to understand the language for travel, music, or your own personal reason, you will be able to do more as we progress. That is what me made this exercise for. So collectively, you will be able to follow me in the lessons going forward using what we covered in this flex. This journey is for you now. Alright, so me posted the English translation on the screen for you. If you got it right, congratulations. If you're having trouble, you might have to rewatch the video or the lessons until it becomes clear. Alright, so we've come to the end of our first flex. Now from here on out, we'll be using everything that you've learned in the videos going forward. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought of this video. If it's too slow, you can move ahead by checking out our classic videos, as well as I'll post additional resources in the description below. So thanks again for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take it easy.